To eat healthy, focus on a balanced diet consisting of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Aim to incorporate a variety of colourful fruits and vegetables into your meals to ensure you get a range of nutrients. Limit processed foods, sugary snacks, and unhealthy fats. Be mindful of portion sizes to avoid overeating. Aim for at least 5 servings a day. They provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fibre. Include lean proteins like chicken, fish, tofu, beans, or lentils in your meals. They help repair and build tissues. Opt for whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, oats, and whole wheat bread. They provide fibre and essential nutrients. Incorporate sources of healthy fats such as avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. They support heart health and brain function. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated and aid digestion. Minimize intake of sugary drinks, candies, pastries, and processed snacks. Plan your meals ahead of time to make healthier choices and avoid impulse eating. Enjoy treats occasionally, but in moderation. Remember, small changes can lead to significant improvements in your overall health and well-being.